How do I connect my device to Freeview via Wi-Fi?
Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today, we are going to walk you through how to connect your device to Freeview via Wi-Fi. We will simplify this process for you into clear and concise steps. Remember that some steps may vary slightly depending on the specific model of your device and Freeview box, but this guide should give you a general understanding.
What is Freeview and what you'll need?
Freeview is a popular digital TV service in the UK that provides access to free-to-air TV channels and radio stations. In order to connect your device to Freeview via Wi-Fi, you'll need a few things: a Freeview-compatible device, smart TV, Freeview box, etc., a stable Wi-Fi connection, your Wi-Fi password.
Connecting your device to Wi-Fi.
Before connecting your device to Freeview, make sure it's connected to your home Wi-Fi network. Here are the general steps to do that. 1. Navigate to the Settings menu of your device. 2. Look for the Network or Wi-Fi option and select it. 3. Scan for available networks. Select your home network from the list. 4. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted and connect.
Setting up Freeview on your device.
Now that your device is connected to Wi-Fi, it's time to set up Freeview. 1. If you have a smart TV, look for the Freeview app in your TV's App Store, download and install it. 2. If you are using a Freeview box, make sure it is correctly connected to your TV via the HDMI port. 3. Once the Freeview app is installed, or your Freeview box is connected, open Freeview. 4. In some cases, you might need to sign in or create a Freeview account. Follow the on-screen instructions if prompted.
Tuning Freeview channels.
After installing the Freeview app or connecting the Freeview box, you'll have to tune the channels. 1. Within the Freeview interface, navigate to the Settings or Menu option. 2. Look for an option like Automatic Channel Scan or Tune and select it. 3. The device will scan for all available Freeview channels. This process may take a few minutes. 4. Once the scan is complete, you should be able to access all the Freeview channels available in your area. And there you have it. You have successfully connected your device to Freeview over Wi-Fi. This process will provide you with a wealth of TV channels and radio stations, all without a subscription. We hope this guide was helpful and you can now enjoy all the Freeview content at the comfort of your home. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in our next tech walkthrough. Happy viewing!